coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what I do to these instant noodles. And today I've got one from South Korea. This is Sempio with their Korean hot spicy style noodle. I really had to look and look and look because I was like, it's got all this on it. It's got to have more than that for the name, but no, on their actual website, ladies and gentlemen, that's all it says, is that it's a hot and spicy noodle from South Korea. So, but look at these noodles. That's kind of trippy, huh? Yeah. Let's put them in here, rather back in here. And add this in there. I'm guessing this is going to be as red as can be. Alright. It's not. It did say there was squid involved. I gotta stop doing that. Man. Lately I've wanted to go and put the seasoning in there and stick my honker in it, and it is not a good idea because guess what happens? Some of these seasonings are so ultra powdery that you've got literally a cloud of what do you call it? Of the powder above it. And boy, getting that up your nose, I just did that with the Tom Yum variety. Luckily, it really didn't taste like Tom Yum. 5 minutes. Wow. Yeah, so it's tricky finding music for the show because I don't want to sit there for 3 hours digging through this music library. I just go latest tracks and I play one and I listen to 5 seconds of it and then I go to the next and the next and the next. Generally I pick out ones that say instrumental, and people are mislabeling that crap left and right, so I don't know. But this is pretty cheesy. Welcome to the Ramen Raiders special show today about noodles. Today I'll walk you through making noodles out of different things, making glass things, breaking glass, inhaling broken glass. I don't know. God, my sinuses still feel funny from inhaling that soup base. Well, yeah, third one, it says on here it's 7:58. I don't hear Leave It to Beaver going on yet. That's oh God. Well, luckily, I guess that finger didn't have any of the Fresno pepper on it. I'll know momentarily when the violent burning begins. I've got a great knack of handling hot pepper products and then rubbing my eyes, and my eyes just start burning like a bleep 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 bleep, and it hurts. It really hurts. I like to do my hot peppers in the face hole, not in the eyeball place thing. Oh, I hear Leave It to Beaver. So yeah. I saw a thing last night that they're making more anatomically correct crash test dummies because, and it was funny on the news story because they were saying that, I guess it's not funny about the main reason for the news story, that the test dummies are basically just made for men and not to test out the impacts of crashes on women. Said women are way more likely to have a horrible injury or get killed in a car accident, whereas men aren't as likely. But while women are more likely to die in a car accident, men are more likely to cause them. I was like, wow. Oh look, it's my daughter Miriam. Come over here and say hi to the nice people.
Hi, nice people.
How you doing? You excited?
Yeah.
Excited to see Grandma and Grandpa?
Yes.
Yeah, it's been a while, huh?
Yeah.
Well, what are you going to do today?
I'm gonna go to school.
Yeah, you're going to go to school. All right. Well, I'll be out there in a second. We'll have our oatmeal and peanut butter, and Miles can eat his banana, and we'll get everything all going and good for the day. But, no, so they're going to make more anatomically correct, crash test dummies. So look forward. You never know. There might be little bouncing baby crash test dummies on the road now that there will be male and female crash test dummies. Rejoice, crash test dummies. I don't know that the recent Supreme Court draft opinion will apply to you, but if so, stand up for your rights, you know? I don't know. That, I don't know. It's like I have a talk with my brother all the time on like Wednesdays or Thursdays, and we talk about stuff, and sometimes it goes into politics, and he's like very, very conservative, and that's cool, and I'm very, very liberal. There's certain things that we agree on, but I've kind of left that Supreme Court thing hang out. I'm like, I could get ugly. I don't know. Maybe I'll bring it up today if we have time to talk. Yeah. Oh, hi, Miles. Why do you have 2 tablets?
I'm playing each one as Mimi's, but I'm helping Mimi.
Oh, you're helping Mimi. Oh. Does Mimi want her tablet back?
Yes.
Ah, I see. That's helping. There you go.
And I've got 1 tablet.
Now you got 1 tablet. That's right, and that's, I think, the way it's supposed to be, sir.
Love you.
Love you. Love you. All right. So this is a wheat noodle. When I first saw this, I was like, this has got to be a rice noodle. It's like, no, it's a wheaten noodle. So there we are. Let's check it out. They definitely had really great things to say about the noodle on their website. Most companies don't say you'll love this product, except for the fact that blah blah blah. You know, they're gonna say like it's the best you've ever had, which is smart. It's got an interesting texture. I'll give it that. It hydrated well. All right. Mimi is going to go potty. And now for the broth. I'm definitely getting light seafood notes. It's got a nice saltiness. That seems like definitely in the range of more premium. It's like a nicer hot and spicy with a wheat noodle that doesn't appear to be fried. This is actually a bowl from South Korea, I believe. Been bringing this one out more lately. It's been a while. I used this for a long time and then kind of like backed off of it, but times change. And cheese dreams of the future. Kind of dreams would cheese have? They show the picture of it and like the noodle is stacked up like vertical. I don't know how anybody's pulling that off. It's a lovely presentation, but it seems rather like impossible to. It's like all perfectly manicured and vertical. And where's my spring onion? Dang. It's in here, but now it's all mixed in with the, whoa, whoa, whoa. Here's some. I only had like 3 stalks of it when I started out today. Oh, I like this one. This is a cool track. Okay, and some seeds. And I think we're gonna go mellow on this one. Oh, I think we'll throw some shichimi on top too, just for fun. Not much, a little bit. Whoa, 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 whoa. There you go. Yeah. Well, that was nice. I like that one. Yeah. Well, that's it for me for today. And I don't know. Hopefully I'll review tomorrow. I think I will. I'm going to about count on it. Welcome to September for you. It's not September for me. It's still mid-May. So, with that, this has been Hans, the Ramen Reader, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.